Arrive in style with this 2005 Chevrolet Trailblazer. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver vanity mirror, cruise control, power outlet, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo, front reading lamps, intermittent wipers, and driver airbag. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.